name is Sivan Parienta. I'm a cosmetic nurse. I live in Dallas, Texas, and I'm here to educate you guys on injectables. Full cheek augmentation is a treatment that is used to help mid-face volume loss. So when we lose volume through this area, this begins to kind of give an appearance of sagging. So by replacing that volume loss here, we'll give a nice, beautiful lift to the cheek area and also make you look contoured. Okay, so the instructions before getting dermal fillers are pretty easy. No alcohol consumption 24 to 48 hours. That's going to thin the blood, and you don't want anything that thins the blood because it can open you up to extra bruising. So that also goes for NSAIDs. Another thing that you want to avoid before you get injections is any laser treatments or strong chemical peels on the skin for about 2 weeks. So post-op instructions are pretty simple. For 24 hours after getting injections, you want to avoid working out, you want to avoid saunas, and you also want to avoid any kind of excessive laser treatments, chemical peels, or anything like that. You want to just basically take 2 days off. The only thing you want to be doing is icing the area that got injected.